Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wal aqibatu lil muttaqeen wassalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursaleen amma ba'd fa a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim as-salatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulallah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya Habiballah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. There is a beautiful saying of our beloved Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, As-salamu qabla al-kalami. Salam precedes conversation. Dear children, people of different origins live in this world and use different words while meeting. Some begin conversation by saying hello, or some use other terms like adab, etc. Whereas how a Muslim should extend greetings should be unique and elegant from others. In this blessed hadith, we are being taught that we should start talking, meeting, etc. after saying salam, such that salam precedes conversation. Dear children, the best way to say salam is to say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. When we say salam to someone in this way, it means we are making dua for him. May Allah's peace, blessings and mercy be showered upon you. From this dua, it is learnt that no one should cause trouble to any Muslim. It will be a very bad thing that on the one hand, we make dua for someone by our tongue, and on the other hand we keep causing trouble to him by any of our act or by our hands. Dear children, saying salam is a very beautiful sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The blessed act of saying salam is the best way to spread love and end differences. So while entering or leaving house, make a habit of saying salam, as this virtuous act brings about Allah's mercy and blessings at home. May Allah Azza wa Jal grant us tawfiq to carry out every act according to sunnah of our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam. Ameen bijahin nabiyyil ameen wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen.